Hello everyone, welcome back to my Banff vlogs. This is part 2, so if you haven't watched the first part yet, you can find it linked in the description. But without further ado, welcome to part 2. We ended part 1 where we finally settled into our Airbnb and had pizza for dinner the night before. I woke up early before everyone else because I planned to make breakfast for everyone, so I quickly did my morning routine and headed downstairs to prep some pancakes. The batter was fairly easy to make as it only involved water and pancake mix. But I did have a bit of trouble cooking the pancake because the pot I was using was not non-stick, so I had to use a lot of oil. Although at the moment I thought my pancakes were bad, they ended up tasting pretty good, especially with the maple syrup we bought last night.
Alright, we're heading out to our first hike today. The weather is not the best, but it's not horrible because it's not raining. But it's alright. Temperature's alright, right? Okay, so where are we going? We're going to Johnson Lake Canyon or
Johnston Canyon.
Johnston Canyon?
Yeah.
That's where we're going first. We're gonna see how the weather goes and then see how long we're gonna stay there for. Yeah.
And just like I said, we decided to go to Johnston Canyon to sightsee and hike. On the way there, we took the Bow Valley Parkway route, which was stunning. And just a few minutes away, we arrived at our destination.
It's getting sunny.
We were very lucky as the weather started to clear up. As you can see, we were very excited to hike. We first headed towards the lower falls, which took us approximately 30 minutes long. The hike was well paved, not too crowded, and offered stunning views. Once we got to the lower falls, there was a long line to the little cave, and while waiting in line, we decided to take a bunch of videos and pictures. Once at the entrance of the cave, we took a nice group picture, and then we finally walked through the little cave that led to a closer look at the waterfall.
They're just all testing the
Fell on me.
Yeah, maybe you're not supposed to touch.
We took a quick look at the upper falls, which we didn't find as exciting as the lower falls, and decided to keep hiking further up to Ink Pots. It was a moderate to hard hike up, but totally worth it because of how beautiful it was up there.
Ink Pots. Ink pots. They're ink pots.
Oh, the shape is like a pot.
Yeah, ink pots. That's the point.
They're all the same kind.
Elizabeth.
After looking around and taking lots of pictures, we settled down beside a bench to eat lunch.
Hi vlog. I'm raiding some eggs. Some food.
While Amindu and Tiffany were making this hiking pole, I was busy gluing on leaves.
I'm just being dumb right now. What am I doing? I'm just being bored and dumb. Am I right?
So fun.
Yeah.
Before hiking down, we visited the stream nearby.
Oh, 3!
Those guys are just throwing rocks. Whoa. Oh, damn.
The hike down was a lot easier and faster. We once again took the Bow Valley Parkway route back to our Airbnb, but we stopped at this beautiful lookout point of Bow River and stopped at Wendy's to get a quick treat. Once we got back, we immediately started prepping dinner. So enjoy this little segment of cooking.
You always peel it inside the sink.
I was peeling on here because otherwise I have to fish in the sink for all the...
You just use that to fish it. Use that to
This
fish
is
it.
so gross. I'll put on the paper towel. And then I can just pick up the paper towel.
Okay, sure. I don't mind.
Listen, I feel like I'm doing this wrong.
Okay, you have to take out the stuff in it.
Okay,
It's gonna
this
be harder
is how
to
you do
peel.
it. Yeah.
I've never used this type of peeler
Do
before.
this.
You, yes, with a knife.
Oh, this peeler is very
See,
bad.
it is bad, guys. It's not me.
But yeah, I just do that. And I should have brought my own peeler.
Oh, Mindu.
No,
Do this at your place.
So we got this
How long
type of
does it take you
peeling
guys to make
and this
this?
peeling at the same time. Who's gonna finish first?
Who's gonna finish?
What is it now? How you doing?
I'm struggling.
This is everything very slowly, so it takes.
This is why all files.
Okay, this
look
knife
at the
ain't
same
sharp. It's gonna be bad.
See, I think there's a nice sharpener. Do you want to try to use it?
You have sharpener? Where?
Do you want look? I think in the thing below.
Let's see the.
Do you see there's a nice sharpener there?
There you go. See.
He doesn't like it, so I'm making them small for him. It's so small that it almost is not better.
No, I think he wants it bigger so that you
It's
can.
big, so you can pick it out.
No, if it's okay, small that it's unnoticeable, or big that I can take it out. One of the two. Versus the
There's a
both.
lot of demands.
How about you eat it?
Tiffany's. That's why I have Tiffany.
No, I'm not eating this for them.
You are.
No.
I hate cutting it in. Doing a competition who shaves the potato.
I'm shaving. I've been shaving this whole potato. Like that.
Yeah, I was gonna be like, how efficient is that?
I'm just saying I'm not losing any potato.
You guys need help.
No, I'm good.
There's another knife if
You
you
can
want
shave
to.
another potato if you want.
There's another.
Yeah, you guys can
There's
help
a lot
with
of
the potatoes.
yeah.
I'm good with the chopping.
Like, oh, she doesn't trust us with it.
This
that
does
skin?
not want help, guys. She is in the kitchen.
Okay, dare you cut the butter off?
There's another
An
knife.
independent woman here.
Behind.
Do you need to cut the butter?
I don't care whether you want to eat the thing or not.
Oh, there's not.
I was like in front of it. Okay, no, I'll do onion first. I'm getting my sunglasses.
I want that.
Okay, guys. Onion time.
Oh no.
Sunglasses ready.
Onions don't affect me at all.
I hate taking the skin off.
No vegetable.
So you guys didn't have the time to buy a peeler, but you had
We
enough
did.
time to
Learn how to peel.
learn how to peel every
But we
single
just didn't
thing.
want to spend like money to buy it.
Alright, I'm 30 to cook the curry. I just added oil.
Yeah, the rice. Yeah.
Tommy. What? That's against culture, man. Take it out.
What's against culture?
This.
Ladle is in the.
You're literally signifying death. Like that.
My
Wait,
grandma
I need
used to
a-
say that.
Everybody's just
Gee, okay, maybe just one more. It's too much. Dude, this pot ain't big enough. I want to see you taste it. Mindu, you're so critical of my cooking. Let's see. Taste test.
Just the curry.
The curry and the rice, of course.
Man, I miss that doing both.
I'm scared. You good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
The only potatoes. That's not bad.
Thankfully, everyone seemed to enjoy the curry. So we had one last thing planned for today, which was going to the hot springs. So we packed up immediately and headed towards downtown Banff. Unfortunately, I don't really remember the exact name of the hot springs we visited, but we went to one of the ones inside downtown Banff. Here's a series of weird clips I got on my phone while in the hot springs.
This is part of vlog content.
And Aaron.
This is part of the vlog.
And Elizabeth. That's about it. That's the only.
I don't think they make. Whoa, so many people. It's part of the vlog. The middle looks like he's drowning.
The video. Alright, ready?
I'm recording the video, right?
Yeah, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Three, two, one.
Where are we going? Like these. Not far enough as well.
After we got back, my friends got Slurpees and alcohol to drink.
Bro.
The amount was perfect.
No, okay, hey, you're chilling. Okay, by the way, someone has their Wendy's frosting.
Me.
Where's the towel?
Yeah, you guys drink. I'm eating my frosty.
That's good. I want another frosty with that. As like a chaser?
Frosties like 6 minutes away. You know, on my way back.
And while they were having fun and doing their thing, I finished my frosty and went to sleep early. So that is it for part 2 of my road trip to Banff. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look forward to the next vlog where we go paddleboarding and go to downtown Banff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in part 3.